BMW revealed the all-new X2. Car has got impressive and eye-catching design. On the front, the defining elements are impressive LED headlights and an almost hexagonal BMW kidney grille, which, in a first for the premium compact segment, can be specified as an option with BMW iconic glow contour lighting. Also on the options list are adaptive LED headlights with non-dazzling matrix high beam. Car has grown by 194 mm in length over its predecessor. Plus, its increased wheelbase and wider tracks benefit space in both the 5 seats and the boot. The new X2 has a maximum load capacity of 560 up to 1,470 liters, depending on the model variant. The BMW iX2 offers between 525 and 1,400 liters. And the all-electric variant will be part of the lineup from launch in the shape of the BMW iX2 xDrive 30 that you see here. Its two highly integrated drive units, one on the front axle and one at the rear, together generate a system output of 313 horsepower, including temporary boost, and system torque of 494 Nm. A combination of the high voltage battery's impressive 64.8 kWh of usable energy and the high efficiency of the drive system enable a range of 417 up to 449 km in the WLTP cycle. Tell me in the comments, how do you like this model?